How to get 6-digit authentication code on Discord. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. Let's say you're trying to log in or sign in into your Discord account, but you're not getting any authentication code. So here's how you can fix it. For that, first of all, you want to make sure that you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi and mobile data network. If the Wi-Fi is weak, switch to mobile data or vice versa. After that, you want to go ahead and simply verify your email or phone number. For that, open up Discord application and then log in to your account. Once logged in, tap on You at the bottom right corner. Then from here, tap on this settings like icon. Inside here, tap on account. Inside accounts, you want to go ahead and check that the email or phone number listed is correct. If you are not receiving the code, you might be using the wrong contact info. Also, you can go ahead and avoid spamming the login. If you have tried to log in 5 or 6 times and failed, Discord might temporarily block authentication code for 24 hours. This is a security measure to prevent hacking attempts. Now, you want to go ahead and simply use a authentication app. If you had 2FA set up with Google Authenticator, open that app instead of waiting for a code via SMS or email. Also, if you're still facing the problem, you want to go ahead and simply contact Discord support and explain the issue. Mention if you are locked out, not receiving codes, or tried VPNs already. And with all those steps, you'll then be able to fix your issue. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.